One of the biggest decisions you'll make when remodeling a kitchen is the design choice for your kitchen cabinets. Whether you want your kitchen to look modern or traditional, shaker-style cabinets make a very sound choice. They split the difference between the look of traditional kitchen cabinetry and modern contemporary cabinets. Their style is the perfect embodiment of timeless design. True Shaker offers a square cut detail at the center of the door, between the frame and the flat panel, or often a slight bevel is incorporated in this area. A transitional style is kind of an update of the shaker style. Remember, transitional is a half step between traditional cabinets and more modern contemporary kitchens. What we know of today as shaker style cabinets are modeled after the shaker furniture of the 19th century. They never built cabinets like we have today, but the design of shaker-style cabinets are consistent with your traditional stylistic choices. Clean lines free from ornamentation. In a traditional shaker door, they used a frame around the perimeter and they cut a little dado into it where the frame joined to the style of the door. Also in this groove right here in the frame of the door, a center panel was slid into the door, and this created the simple traditional shaker aesthetic. Often they were painted white, but it might have been a simple wood finish like you see here. Today's modern version of the shaker style incorporates a simple bevel where it meets the center panel. The reason for this, in the old days, the shakers used a brush to paint on the finish and could easily get into the corners by the panel. However, in the modern factory, we spray the finish on. A sprayed finish is difficult to get into a sharp, square corner. Often the paint does not adhere right into the corner. A simple bevel overcomes this setback and allows a smooth, even finish to be applied. In today's modern kitchen showroom, you'll find many variations on the shaker style. In this example, we see an inset piece of wood offering a wider bevel. This allows for additional interest in the door, and this would be a good example of transitional styling. Here's another example of a flat panel door. This one has been offered for decades in the United States. Traditionally, you would see this in an oak finish or sometimes in a birch finish. In today's modern design, we see it in a light gray paint. And here is one more example of a flat panel door. This one offers a little additional detail at the center panel, and it may be a choice for you in your home today. The aesthetic of shaker cabinets gives them immense versatility. Shaker cabinets will look ideal in either a traditional style kitchen or a modern one. You won't grow tired of this classic styling, and if you decide to refresh your kitchen design in a few years, your cabinets can stay put while the rest of the room evolves around them. The color you choose for your cabinets will have a profound impact on how your kitchen looks and feels. White has been a popular choice for kitchens starting in the 1920s, and the color has always been associated with hygiene and cleanliness. It also will brighten up a room, which is important in any working space. It's clean and fresh, inspiring healthy appetites and boosts your energy level. Gray is also a popular color for kitchens, and with good reason. Gray is an exceptionally versatile color. It's already a very neutral color, but it can be tinted slightly to warm up or cool down a room, lending a shade towards the color of your kitchen walls or any other design element you'd like to highlight or complement. No matter what style of kitchen you're planning, opting for shaker-style cabinets is a strong investment that will serve you for many years to come. My name is Gordon Van Fleet. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button. And if you click the notification bell, you'll be sure to get any of our upcoming videos on kitchen design and remodeling.